So I figured we needed some video proof of Betsy actually cooking, and it smells wonderful in here. She's making a Philly steak and cheese sloppy joe, and the whole coach smells just wonderful. How much more time do we got?
Well, heat it up.
Yummy. So we asked Piper how she feels about camping, and here's her best answer. Just chillaxing. Yeah. Day 2 at Jellystone. Piper has her little owl. Say hi, Piper. Hi. Yeah. Waiting on breakfast here. Go to the Christmas tree store afterward. And they are watching Curious George. I don't know what this part is, but so we're gonna do a lot of walking. It was cold last night. We used our heat pumps up until this morning when it got too cold for the heat pumps to continue working, so we fired our furnace for the first time. Yeah. Owned this coach for over 2 years and never used it. Let me tell you, it's hot in here now, so yeah. Can you give us a smile? Can Piper give us a smile? We like our smiles. Whoa, that's even better. Yeah. Tell the world, hello. Say, hi, my name is Piper. My name is Piper. All right, Daddy better get back to the kitchen and cook, huh? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You ready to go for your first swim in the big pool? Yeah, you're not going to know what to think of that. No. My big girl going swimming. No, don't worry, you're not really going swimming. Nope, we picked you up a cool little speedboat there, huh? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Even has a roof for it, but we don't need that because it's an indoor pool. Yeah. Whoa, you doing a little dance? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Wow, look at that dancing. You got some moves. You got some moves. Yes, you do. You got some moves. Oh, I can't wait to see what you can do in the water. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna be the hottest girl there, aren't you? Yeah, this cutest little chick running around with her cute bathing suit. Huh? You'll pick up some boys. Better not. So I'm giving them the fish. I'll be like, right? Yeah. Yeah, I know. All right, we're just waiting on Mommy, and then we'll go. And then we'll go swimming. Yeah.